Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to the channel. So Vybz Kartel drop a massive hint today. The world boss get back him US visa and will be at the Grammys 2025. And him himself, you can say confirm that him get back the visa. I want to watch the video and tell me if another visa smile this.
People, me I telling you something. See, God is the greatest, yeah. And you see faith, move mountains. And you see teamwork, make the dream work. But never forget, all things you have to put God and do good. Believe me, I say. But this under my nose, I'm out.
In the video, the boss say, yo, faith move mountains, and trust me, that are true. Even at the comment section, him pin scatter comment where I say, yo, God are the greatest. And next user even asks, I wonder if the visa the boss get. And Vybz Kartel like the post, confirming that yes, he will be at the Grammys 2025. So it's a good look overall. So people, I want Uno tell me how you feel about Kartel getting his US visa. And do you think he can beat the Marleys and win his first Grammy? As you know, Kartel are one of the greatest dancehall artists. I think Kartel stand a strong chance for win his first Grammy. You get me I say? Kartel put in so much work over the years, and me I tell her say, yo, him accomplish a lot and his music resonate with a whole heap of people in the world. You see it? So it'd be a great achievement if Kartel could have win him first Grammy. You see it? Solidifying him king spot, even though you don't really need the Grammy for say him a king, but you know you go, people love talk about why him achieve and all of that. You get me? So Kartel get back him visa. We are going to see him at the US for the first time in a long while. And I tell us, say, yo, possibilities endless, because the amount of shows and bookings Kartel are going to go. Kartel are going to start full out concert. Kartel are going to start up on the major tours the with all Popcorn and possibly Drake. Because I know the collab coming up. I know it a come. Even one with Busta Rhymes. I know say all of them they are going to drop. So it's a great look going forward for 2025 and beyond for the world boss and all Gaza fans. You see it? Remember to like, share, and subscribe.